You know, and I've always felt, and it's not an original idea of mine, that one of the tragedies of the post-war period for Yiddish is that there were no more editors, right? And that every writer, even the best Nobel Prize-winning writer, needs an editor. They need somebody they have to listen to. So if you have no editors and no real publishing houses, I mean, you publish, you have a komitet, and the komitet's job is not to give you any literary criticism, it's to raise money so you can publish your book. And that's what all these Bicha komitetten were about. They published books, and they did, and some of the people who were on these komitetten had taste, but they couldn't tell the writer what to write, so they helped them put out these books. It was very difficult to get a jury together that was going to do an objective appraisal if several people's works were all up for a prize in the same year. You know, who do you find that can be objective? You know, and there were some years where they had to ship it to a komitet somewhere else, you know, because, and then people got offended, and, you know, they didn't get the prize. Why me? Why not him or her? You know, like, sorry, why him? Why not me? But because also they didn't have a wider outlet, I think it all got very intense. You know, some writers got discovered much later, got translated much later on. But for all of those years, they were sort of in that world. But I remember Chaim-Leib, who was a character, was like one of these larger-than-life characters, and I remember he accosted me one day, and he said, Rivka, he was from Lodz, can you tell? אפשר שאתם übersetzen Apulide? He said, keine schreibt doch nicht solche Lieder. And he was, if you looked at his stuff, you'll see it's very wide across the page. If the page had been wider, his lines would have been longer, you know. But he just thought, he said, jedes Wort ist doch gold, gold. And he said that to me, you know, so that's what he thought, you know. So that's not, maybe it could be true, but it's not, you're not the most objective judge of your own work. You need somebody else to say, jedes Wort ist gold.